Good morning, guys. I'm going to give you a little garden update here. So last night, when I got home from work, my daughter and I came out and we pulled up some potatoes from these bags, the grow bags. Now, the black bags did better than the green ones with the little windows. I don't know why. My only guess is that the green bags were against this fence and maybe they didn't get enough water. So that's my only guess. But anyway, I'll insert the picture of what I got. It was better than last year because last year I got nothing. So let's take a little walk here. My onions are still here. They're doing okay. They're not as big as any onion, but again, I don't pay attention to them. So my chamomile is done for the season. Now it's a perennial, so I leave it and then I'll cut it back. Next year we'll come back. Look at the coneflowers, how beautiful. Yeah, I have a lot of weeds. Look how gorgeous those plants, those flowers are. And then we got my pink roses, which I gotta move the bag. The forest is looking good. Nothing spooky has happened yet. We got sage here. And look at my nasturtiums, and of course there's a bunch of weeds over there. But I'm starting to see some flowers. Of course, my favorite color, orange. How pretty, I love orange. Look how pretty. They're an easy flower to grow. You just put the seed in the ground and forget about it. So over here, we have tomatoes, but they're still green. None of them are ripened up yet. Look how nice and big that one is. So we're gonna definitely have some tomatoes this year. So the mystery vine, I actually found something on it. And maybe you all could tell me what it is. And I've been seeing the bees buzzing around the flowers. So I think they're pollinating it. Oh, there's a bee right there. See, they're going flower to flower. So where's the little thing I found? Let me see. It's over here somewhere. Oh, look. So is that the beginning of something? You think that's a pumpkin? I don't know. There's like little flower things everywhere. So that's the only one that I actually see. So I'm hoping that that's a little pumpkin. Even if it's a little one, I'll be so happy. It'll be so cute. But as you can see, some of these, the tips are bitten off. They get eaten by, I think the rabbits come in here and help themselves. So the vine is doing that. Tomatoes. Oh my gosh, I had a dream last night about tomato hornworms. How terrible is that? I hate those things. So this plant never really did great from the beginning, but at least it's going to give a little bit of tomatoes. So peppers is doing okay. I got a few. These are bell peppers. And the cubanelli. I got one more there. I already used one to cook with. And that one over there isn't really doing anything. Last night we put some basil in the ground. See over there? Even though it's a little late in the season, I just hope that it grows a little so I can make pesto, because I really love pesto. And then this is lavender. I'll give it some room here. Of course, the weeds are non-stop. I mean, they just are. But I'm hoping that the basil will grow. So, what do you all think? I think it's pretty out here, the garden. I think it's also a little messy, but I do the best I can out here to keep up with it and everything else I do. Here I have a loofah growing. Now, whether I'm actually going to get a loofah, I don't know. But it started to climb. It didn't do anything for a long time. And then I put this rope around it, and I started putting it like on the edge of the rope down there and helping it. And now it's been climbing. So I don't know. I don't know why answer on it. But anyway. My storage greenhouse is like falling apart. It's old. The panels are so brittle. It's really old. And the trail that leads that way, Joe is expanding it to go that way more. So I'll have a longer trail to walk on. So this time of day is nice to come to the garden because the sun isn't really on the entire thing yet. Yesterday it hit like, it was in the 90s here. It was so hot. It was awful. I hate the heat. I just don't like it. Ugh. So there's the basil. I could see that some snails are already hitting it because I put this in yesterday. And my little rose thing here. It does okay. Oh yeah, this is the bone I found inside. This is an underground worm barrel. And yeah, I found this jaw in there. Yeah, I know. Never really figured out what it was. But I left it there as decoration. Yeah, this is the barrel. The little one. It's a bucket, not a barrel. The barrel's over there. So look, those are castings. So I took out these castings to use in my garden, and that's where I found that bone. My family swears they didn't put it in there and plant it on me. But again, I don't know. My husband likes to joke a lot, so he might have. Or my daughter might have. But anyway, I keep this on top of it so that raccoons don't get in there. Because they get in everything. Weeds, I either put them in the compost pile or I throw them on top of the boxes because they'll just break down in compost there. This is a monster. I have to ask Joe to help me get this out. It is just, it's big and it's difficult to get out. Oh look, I have a garlic in here. Yeah, I forgot. Wonder if there's anything in there. And this looks like it's a volunteer tomato plant. Where is it? Here it is. One little clove. I don't even know if I could use that. Probably. I'll take it in anyway. I know I had more garlic here. I just don't know where it went. It's probably hiding among all of this. So anyway, so that's the scoop of the garden. I haven't worked out here except last night when I came out here to get potatoes because the weather's just so hot. And then if it's not boiling, we're having tremendous rain. And there's a compost pile. So this will be turned and there'll be compost underneath and loads of worms. So my next video, I'll do an update on this thing. This is starting to come back. It had died for a bit. Oh, and I just finished killing it. Ah. It's a pretty plant. It has flowers. It usually starts in the spring, nice, climbs up to here, and then it just starts dying. I don't know why. It won't go like all the way up. So you know what I want to do here? I want to put like green beans here and have them climb all the way and just see what happens. All right, guys. Today I work and tomorrow I'm off. So tomorrow is worm day. Hi, Olive. Where's Nina? Nina! Nini! Where is she? There she is. There's Nina. Hi, Nina. Who knows what she was eating? Yesterday she was rolling around in raccoon pee and we had to give her a bath. Yeah, they like it. They like the smell. I don't know why, and it smells horrid. It smells like rotten fish. Right, guys? All right. Well, have a great day. And they're ready for breakfast. And I'll see you all next time. Take care.